Hello everyone. Today's video lecture is based on topic laser. Today we are discussing about the laser rays. These rays are used in many areas like industrial, science and technology, medicine, defense and space science, etc. What are the contents of today's lecture? These are introduction, abbreviation of laser, types of laser, and then applications of laser. First, here we can see the laser light. This thumb denoting the laser light, which is pink in color. So this is monochromatic. The properties of laser we have to study here. Here the laser light is pink in color, so this is a monochromatic. Monochromatic means mono means a single and chroma means a color. So each laser light have a single color. So this is a monochromatic. Next property of laser is directionality. We can see in both the images where is the pink color and green color. These both rays are monochromatic, having the single wavelength, and both the rays are highly directional, means traveling in single directional. Next is introduction of lasers. The basic scientific principle behind the laser was first put forward by Dr. Charles Towns in 1954. The efforts of several scientists laser led to the development of the first laser called pulse laser in 1960. After this, what is the abbreviation of laser? That is the full form of laser. The L stands for light, A for the amplification, S for the stimulated, E for emission and R for the radiation. So abbreviation of laser is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So next, there are the various types of the lasers now in operation, which can be broadly classified into the three types. Here we can see first is the solid state lasers, second liquid and dye lasers, and third is the gaseous lasers. There are the several types of the lasers, but broadly these three types of lasers are the solid state, then liquid state, and then gaseous lasers. Now here are the examples of the solid state laser, liquid laser and gaseous lasers. Example of solid state laser is a ruby laser. In first image we can see this pink color rod is denotes the ruby laser. This is the ruby rod which is made up of the solid, so this is called as the solid state lasers. Next is the liquid or dye lasers. Here in this case, in second image we can see the liquid material is used for the lasing process. Next is the gaseous lasers. This is the helium neon laser. Helium neon gas here used for the conduction of electrons or ions. So this helium and neon is the gaseous material, so the laser is known as the gaseous lasers. Next is applications of lasers, means in which fields we can use these lasers. These applications, there are the several applications of the laser, some of which we will discuss here in next slides. First application is in the field of the science and technology. Okay, in field of science and technology, first use is lasers help in understanding and offering clarifications for many basic problems of science and technology. Second, with the help of helium neon laser, it was proved that the velocity of light is same in all directions. Third, in astronomy, the lasers help in extending the distance of observation of stellar objects and study their nature. So here the word stellar objects means astronomical objects like planets, stars, galaxies. These all are known as the stellar objects. Okay, for study of this is known as the astronomy. In this case, lasers are very useful for extending the distance and for the observation. Next is, okay, here in images we can easily see that in first image the use of laser in science and technology. Second, for study of the velocity of light. In third, in the field of the astronomy, that is the stellar objects like planets and stars. Next, in next image we can also use this laser light for counting the atoms in a substance possible because of laser. This is possible by using the resonance technology or resonance spectroscopy. This study is known as the spectroscopy, study of atoms, study of molecules by using this laser. This is known as the spectroscopic resonance. Next, we can also use these lasers in computers. Computers, the lasers are used to retrieve stored information from compact disk. Compact disc, that is the CD. We can also use here the DVD. These lasers are used to retrieve the stored information, means to collect or to play this stored information is visualized by using this laser light. Now, laser in medicine. What is the use of laser in the field of the medicine? Here in next slide we can see this are the few applications of laser in medical field. Laser are used in fiber optic endoscope to detect ulcers in the intestine. This laser light is passed via mouth. This process is known as the endoscopy. By our oral path, this laser is passed through our through the digestive system, and then that ulcers are visualized which are inside the intestines. Lasers are used for bloodless surgery also, because the laser produces the intense beam of pure monochromatic light of wavelength of light determines its effect on body tissues, and this defines the clinical role of each laser. Next, lasers are used extensively in treatment of eye diseases, because nowadays we know that the laser eye surgeries are very popular. Particularly, this laser treatments or laser surgery is used to reattach a detached retina. This is the main use or main purpose of laser surgery or laser treatments. Next is the liver and lung diseases could be treated by laser light. After that, lasers in the industry. What is the industrial use of this laser light? Lasers are used now for cutting, drilling and welding of metals and other materials. For the cutting and drilling process, the CO2 laser is generally used for cutting both the metals and non-metals. Here, for the cutting process or drilling process, CO2 lasers, solid state lasers, gas lasers and diode lasers are generally used. Laser light is used to collect the information about the prefixed prices of various products in shops and business establishments from the barcode printed on the product. We know that the machine, that is a barcode reader, it is nothing but made up of the laser light, which is used to collect the information about the prefixed prices and various products in the shops and business establishments from that barcode which is sticked already on that products. So barcode reader is one of the application of this laser light. Next, these lasers are also used in the defense and the space science. What is the use of these lasers in the space science? Should be continued in second slide. The lasers are used in the space communication in radars and satellites. What is the use of laser in satellite? Lasers can be used as a means of communication between the Earth and international space stations. Putting these lasers into the orbit will increase the speed of data that can be sent between the satellites as well as between the satellites and the Earth. Today, diode lasers are the key components at any broadband communication systems. They are employed as the high-speed transmitter in digital and analog fiber optic networks. The lasers can travel a distance near about the 720 miles, that is the 1160 kilometers. Due to this high range of the laser light, so lasers are useful, very useful in the field of space communication and radars and the satellites. Lasers are used in various guided missiles and also for detection of enemy targets. Next, nowadays a student can fly a plane with the help of laser rays. Man has invented to fly a plane without using any fuel. Laser is useful to mankind in many ways. In future, many unbelievable things are going to happen with the use of these laser rays. Thank you. Kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.